Menina dos cabelos cacheados, andando leve com seu olhar, tão delicada, tão encantada, feito flor pronta pra dançar.
And barbecue.
Seu sorriso ilumina o dia, parece o sol no fim da tarde.
Spend the day with me. Hot water because I'm not feeling well. I slept very early yesterday. I slept around 9 p.m. My throat hurts. I have sipon, upo. My head hurts. I have my tiger balm here from Ryan. Gilamas pa lang ako kasi I'm not feeling well pa, so tiger balm sa umaga. Amoy cinnamon. Cinnamon? Amoy cinnamon siya. Parang gusto kong kainin. Edible ba to? Sorry guys, sobrang dumi na likod ko. Daming towel. Kasi may mga bisita ako dito. Okay, I'm gonna wash my face muna. For today's agenda. Actually, ayusin ko pa lang kung ano yung mga gagawin ko today. Lilista ko pa lang. Guys, ako, like, please. Umalis ka na sa katawan. At yung nagka-influenza ako. Molly! Dinala yung pillow dito sa bed niya. Come here. Say hi to the camera. Not like this kasi. Hi guys. Hello. Ito si Makulit. Ito si Makulit. Sit. Sige, pag yan talaga tinumba mo. Ay. Sinusunod. Tignan niyo, dinala niya yung pillow dito. Pillow to sa sofa. Kulit mo talaga.
I'm staring at the ceiling, trying to find a
David, may sakit.
figure out the reasons why silence even matters. We used to be the same, but now you're walking with the others. You say that nothing's changed, but I can feel the distance hover, calling me up when you are bored. I need a cover, I gotta walk away and close the door.
Ano ba yan? Mali.
But I let you. I'm staring at the ceiling, trying to find a pattern.
So, ito lang talaga usually yung morning skincare ko. Naghihilamos lang ako. And then, after that, I use... Depends kung kailangan ko to. Pero, sometimes, hindi na ako naggaganto kapag hindi naman super dry ng face ko. And then, I skip to this if hindi ako gagamit nito. And this, Skin by BYS na eye cream. Lastly, is the moisturizer. 4 lang to, but not everything here is ginagamit ko talaga every morning skincare ko. It really depends sa condition ng face ko, sa condition ng skin ko. How's your morning, Molly? Okay. Oh, you woke up very early today. Kaya nga ginigising mo kami mga 8 eh. O ngayon, mag-walkout ka. So, yun lang yung morning routine ko. Pero kapag naghilamos lang ako. Pero pag naligo na ako, of course, maglo-lotion ako. Maglalagay ako ng balm sa bum, and sa siko, and sa knees. Kasi pampaputi yung bum, not just a puwet. I mean, not lang din pampaputi, but like pampakinis ng puwet. Pati sa knees. Okay, so that's it. It's currently 9:20 in the morning. Gagawa muna ako ng to-do list ko for today. Okay, so far, yung nalagay ko sa to-do list ko today is first, do the interior design one, boutique. I'm planning to do the mood board first, think about the concept for the boutique, the logo, the name, and kung ano yung pwede and kaya kong matapos. And then next is do the laundry. Since dami ko ng tambak ng laundry dito, next is edit some video. And after that, I'm gonna chill and watch some Netflix movie. So, I think that's it.
for today. And I'm not planning to go out kasi I'm not feeling well. I have sipon, I have sore throat, I have ubo, my head hurts so bad. And yeah, sobrang hirap pa akong magsalita kasi nga, it's like may nakaparal dito. So yeah, that's it.
Ang corn beef na may potato.
With capsicum.
Thank you po. Kain na kami, guys. Meron ding corn and egg. Okay. So, kakain muna kami. We just finished eating and now I'm back here sa room kasi I'm gonna find the inspos para sa boutique design ko. Yung boutique is actually a luxury boutique. Ano siya? It's for men and female slipwear. Para siyang Victoria's Secret, like that. I love the combination of green and pink kasi. So, I'll find a way to mix that with the vision I have. Hindi na rin ako nag-vlog while we're eating kasi I'm not used to that. And may mga bisita pa ako. I look so pale. I know I look like ewan, but this is just me at home. So yeah, it's time to go to sleep. Nagawa ko lahat ng mga nasa to-do list ko. It was an okay day. Good morning, guys. Day 2 ng may sakit. Good morning! Ang taba na ni Molly, guys. Share ko lang. Kasi pumayat siya ng sobra. So, grabe yung skin allergy niya. Tapos yung food niya palagi siyang nangangati dahil din sa food.
The shift is now. Tomorrow, not later. Now when the world tells me I'm ready, I am ready. I am aligned. I am present. Every fear I released, every moment of calm I claim.
It's 2:30. Kumain na rin kami ng lunch. Bumubulong lang din ako kasi ang sakit na lalamunan ko. Oh, forgot to take meds. Ayun yung dapat gagawin ko kanina pero nakalimutan ko. Ngayon, our plan today is ipag-groom si Molly pero hindi na ako sumama kasi nga sa mga pakiramdam ko. Walking distance lang naman yung grooming dito. So, ngayon, shower na ako. Sorry, I look so messy na naman. You have to deal with this. Ganito lang sa bahay. Sit. Good boy. Maybe I'll try to continue again. I'll try to be more confident. Kasi for this 2026, I'm aiming for self-care, self-growth. Yeah, basically, I'm focusing on myself, on what I love, I want to do. Yeah, that's just basically it. It's about myself this 2026. Okay, update y'all. It's 11:25 p.m. Nag-dinner na kami kanina. Today, it's just okay. Kasi mommy, hey, there's my baby. Nagising na siya. Oh, sus. Grabe naman ito si puta. Hey, Wally wants to go. Alam niya pag pinag-uusapan na aalis. Yeah, let's not go out. It's 1:03 a.m. I decided to get some food sa Korean Mart, which is like 1 street away, 2 streets away. Iyak na si Molly. Alam niya nga kasing lalabas kami. Nag-uusap pa lang kami dito, alam niya na. Imagine, natutulog si Molly. Tapos bigla siyang lalapit sa amin kasi alam nang pinag-uusapan namin na what if lumabas tayo? Alam niya na. So let's go. Diba? It's 1 a.m. Tapos nagising si Eric. Parang siyang si Molly. Niya, labas kayo. Try daw nila yung scooter. Kasi isa namin kasama, di pa daw siya.
the city. Remember you used to drive fine. I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? In the Phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy.
Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day. And kanina nagsulat ako ng mga kailangan kong gawin for today and I realized ang dami ko palang kailangan gawin today. Since it's Monday, continue my boutique plan, which is the floor plan, and budget the money. I have to drink pants 3 times today. So yeah. I have soup here, noodles, and barbecue na natira ko lang kagabi.
Mali! Mali! Ah! Hindi na nila alam kung saan sila nakapark. Wala na sila, Angel. Umalis na.
I think dito na ako mag-outro. If you're at this point ng video, thank you so much. And I would na i-support nyo pa. Bye-bye!